Hello and welcome to today's segment on the nature of science. Today we will be having Dr. Ocampo join us.
Hi, thanks for having me.
It's an honor to have you on our show. Dr. Ocampo, science is an integral part of our everyday life, but why is it so important to us?
Science is important to us because without science we will be missing out on a multitude of different inventions and knowledge that has helped us progress in life and learn about the world.
You have probably questioned many things by asking why, how, or what.
Action.
Science is everywhere in today's world. It is part of our daily lives, from cooking and gardening to comprehending the daily weather report to reading a map and using a computer.
For the next half of our show, we will have Dr. Ocampo explain why science is so vital for our future.
Science is so important because advantage in technology and science is transforming our world in an incredible pace, and our children's future will surely be filled lives in technology that we can only imagine today. Being science literally will just be an advantage but an absolute necessity.
So, what Dr. O is trying to tell us is that we can't escape from the significance of science in our world. Dr. O, many scientists try and prove their theories to configure how they know what they know. Can you give us an example of an experiment?
Well, as a scientist, I base my knowledge and my research on experiments. How about we show the audience instead of me explaining it?
Alright, that's a good idea. Let's go.
Okay, well, first I demonstrate the experiment. I would like you and the audience to make a prediction. If I take a 0.3 kilogram tennis ball and a 0.42 kilogram soccer ball and let them go at the same time, which one do you think will hit the ground first?
I think that the soccer ball, because the pink ball seems heavier than the tennis ball, so it will hit the ground faster, and the gravitational force acting on the ball will pull it down faster. So, yeah.
The answer is, although the force of gravity of the soccer ball is greater, it has a greater mass and inertia. It requires more force to accelerate it. There is less gravitational force on the tennis ball because it has more...
Nigga, you gotta get it right.
Go.
The answer is, although the force of gravity of the soccer ball is greater, it has a greater mass and inertia. It requires more force to accelerate it. There is less gravitational force on the tennis ball because its mass is lower. It has less inertia and therefore requires less force to accelerate it at the same rate as the soccer ball. Why don't you try it?
So you're saying that if I drop these at the same time, they will hit the ground at the same exact time?
Yes.
Okay. So, on the count of 3, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. Got it.
Action.
Okay, we are back on studio. Sorry, I appreciate you coming. Bye.
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 End it!
You didn't even...
That was right.
No. I mean, our road and
Okay.
our children's future will surely be filled.
Cut.
Get into it.
Do it.
Tennis ball.
A bug went right here in my face.
It's all...
This thing is heavy. I want to switch places with somebody. Okay.